Do you know many people are having trouble with the freshening function on their Whirlpool ZEN SF10422 washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate Fresh Care. After the washing program finishes, the Fresh Care function will start automatically to keep your laundry fresh. Step 2. Tumble periodically. The machine will periodically tumble the laundry for a few minutes to prevent it from becoming musty. Step 3. Continue up to 6 hours. This tumbling process continues for up to approximately 6 hours after the wash program ends. Step 4. Stop tumbling. You can stop the tumbling process at any time by pressing any button on the washing machine. Step 5. Unlock door. Once you stop the tumbling, the door will unlock so you can take out your laundry. Step 6. Unload laundry. Ensure you unload your laundry within the 6-hour period to maintain its freshness. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively use the freshening function on your Whirlpool ZEN SF10422 washing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.